Hello my guys, welcome to another episode. In this episode finally I have the LEDs. Previous episode we did the installation on all the interior and reverse lights from Auxito, and now we have the T10 amber LEDs. This is gonna be for the front side markers. Quick in this installation, but first I'm gonna show you how the regular bulb looks against the white Auxito, and then we're gonna put this one so we can see the difference. The Auxito is super bright, so the color I don't like it that much because it's too white. So now with the new ones, let's see the difference. This is the halogen bulb. You can see it looks on color aspect I like it more. That's the Auxito, and that's the regular bulb. You can see the difference. I have the white LED still over there, and that's the new amber from Auxito. This is good. It's gonna look a lot better. Okay guys, you can see that still the white LED, and that's the Auxito. Yep, like it a lot. Super bright, but same color, amber. And there you have it, new amber LEDs from Auxito. I think with this we complete the look on the RAV4. I think everything now is Auxito on the RAV4. So link is gonna be in the description for all the LEDs, fog lights, turn signals, amber, side markers, all the interior lights, and pretty much that's it. I think we cover every LED on the RAV4. I hope you like this little episode guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.